Simple ways for minimum wage earners to start investing with savings first. Hi there! Welcome to today's video, where I'll be sharing a powerful and simple strategy for minimum wage earners to start investing. Starting with savings first. You don't need a lot of money to begin your journey to financial growth. All it takes is a little planning, patience, and consistency. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take small steps that lead to big results. Let's get started. 1. Why savings come first. Before we dive into investing, let's talk about why saving money is so important. Think of savings as the foundation of a house. If the foundation isn't strong, the house can collapse. Savings protect you from unexpected expenses, like car repairs or medical bills, so you don't have to dip into your investments. Even if you're earning minimum wage, you can save. The key is to start small and be consistent. Saving just a few dollars a week might not seem like much, but over time, it adds up. And once you have a solid savings cushion, you'll feel more confident to start investing. 2. Setting a savings goal. The first step is to set a realistic savings goal. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months of your essential expenses. This could include rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Let's say your monthly expenses are $1,200. Your savings goal would be between $3,600 and $7,200. I know that sounds like a lot, but remember, you don't have to save it all at once. Break it down into smaller milestones. For example, start by saving $500, then $1,000, and so on. Achieving these smaller goals will keep you motivated. 3. Create a budget. To save money, you need to know where your money is going. That's where budgeting comes in. Start by writing down your income and all your expenses. Separate your needs, like rent and groceries, from your wants, like dining out and entertainment. Now look for areas where you can cut back. Maybe you can cook more meals at home or cancel a subscription you don't use often. Even saving $20 a week can make a big difference over time. And remember, the goal isn't to eliminate all fun. It's about finding a balance that works for you. 4. Automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to save is to make it automatic. Treat your savings like a bill that must be paid every month. As soon as you get your paycheck, set aside a portion for savings. This could be 5%, 10%, or whatever you can afford. If automating isn't an option, use a simple system like the envelope method. Label an envelope savings and put money into it every payday. This makes saving a habit and reduces the temptation to spend it. 5. Start small but stay consistent. Remember, it's okay to start small. If all you can save is $5 a week, that's fine. Over a year, that's $260. The most important thing is to stay consistent. Small, regular contributions will grow over time, and you'll be amazed at how much you can save. Also, celebrate your progress. Each time you reach a savings milestone, give yourself a small reward. This will keep you motivated and remind you that you're on the right track. 6. Avoid common savings mistakes. Here are a few mistakes to avoid when saving. Dipping into savings for non-emergencies. Treat your savings like it's off limits, unless there's a real emergency. Setting unrealistic goals. Don't aim to save too much too quickly. This can lead to frustration and giving up, not tracking progress. Keep an eye on how much you've saved. This will help you stay motivated. 7. Build your emergency fund. Once you've got your savings habit going, focus on building your emergency fund. This is your safety net so you don't have to borrow money or sell investments when life throws you a curveball. If possible, keep your emergency fund in a separate place so you're not tempted to use it for everyday expenses. And remember, this fund is for emergencies only, like unexpected car repairs or medical bills. 8. Prepare to invest. After you've saved enough for your emergency fund, you can start thinking about investing. At this point, you've already built the habit of saving regularly, which is a huge step. Investing is just the next level of growing your money. Before you begin, it's important to learn the basics. Understand the different types of investments, like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. But remember, you don't need to be an expert right away. The most important thing is to get started. And there you have it. By starting with savings first, you're laying the foundation for a strong financial future. It doesn't matter if you're earning minimum wage. What matters is your consistency and commitment. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and grow. So start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings and investments grow over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little financial inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.